Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing a common challenge many developers face when working with the Model-View-ViewModel MVVM architecture. If you're building applications using MVVM, you might have encountered a situation where you want to change properties in one view model from another view model, but the UI doesn't update as expected. This issue can be frustrating and may leave you wondering what's going wrong. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons behind this problem and explore ways to resolve it. By the end of this discussion, you should have a clear understanding of how to effectively communicate between view models and ensure that your UI updates correctly. The MVVM pattern is designed to separate the concerns of an application's logic, making it easier to maintain and test. However, this separation can sometimes lead to challenges in communication between different parts of the application. When you are trying to update properties in one view model from another, there are several reasons why the UI might not be updating as expected. One common reason is that the view models might not be properly notifying each other about changes. 1. In MVVM, each view model typically exposes its data as properties and notifies any interested parties, like views, about changes through some form of notification mechanism, such as events or an implementation of the observer pattern. However, if these notifications are not being triggered correctly, or if they're not being listened to by other view models or the UI components, updates won't be reflected in the interface. To resolve this issue, you need to ensure that your view models are properly communicating with each other and that any changes made to properties in one view model are correctly notified to all interested parties. This might involve implementing a messaging system between view models or using a shared data service that all view models can access and update. For example, imagine you have two view models, user view model and order view model. The user view model is responsible for managing user information, including their name and address, while the order view model handles order detail. If changes to the user's address in the user view model should affect how orders are displayed in the order view model, you would need a mechanism for the user view model to notify the order view model about these changes. This could be achieved through direct communication, where one view model holds a reference to another and calls methods directly on it, or indirectly through an event bus or mediator that allows view models to publish notifications without needing direct references to each other. The MVVM architecture is designed to separate application logic, but can sometimes make inter-view model communication challenging. When updating properties in one view model from another, ensure proper notification mechanisms are in place for changes. Use a shared data service or implement an event bus mediator system to facilitate indirect communication between view models. In dealing with the MVVM architecture can present unique challenges when it comes to inter-view model communication. However, by understanding how these components interact and implementing appropriate notification systems, you can ensure that your UI updates correctly in response to changes across different parts of your application. If you've had similar issues or have insights into how to improve communication between view models, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing for more content on software development and design patterns.